Dumpty sat on the wall, laughing and waving to one and all. MiniMo's playing down below, sunny skies and a jungle glow. Oh no, Humpty took a tumble. Oh no, he started to stumble. MiniMo's ran with a hug and a call. We've got you, Humpty, you're never alone. SmartyMo shouted, let's make a plan. HeroMo lifted him with a superhero hand. GigiMo sang a sweet little song. DrummerMo drummed to cheer him along. Oh no, Humpty took a tumble. Oh no, he started to stumble. MoneyMo's ran with a hug and a call. We've got you, Humpty, you're never alone. BubbyMo laughed with bottle held tight, crawled to Humpty, giggling bright. MamaMo waved with a soft helping hand. Dr. Owl swooped with a patch and a smile, said, rest here, Humpty, just stay a while. Humpty grinned and gave a cheer. With MoneyMo friends, there's nothing to fear. They stood together, proud and tall, stronger than ever, ready for all. Oh yes, Humpty's back again. Oh yes, stronger with his friends. MoneyMo's cheer and the drum beats call. Together forever, we'll never fall. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall, laughing and waving to one and all. MiniMo's playing down below, sunny skies and a jungle glow. Oh no, Humpty took a tumble. Oh no, he started to stumble. MiniMo's ran with a hug and a call. We've got you, Humpty, you're never alone. SmartyMo shouted, let's make a plan. HeroMo lifted him with a superhero hand. GigiMo sang a sweet little song. DrummerMo drummed to cheer him along. Oh no, Humpty took a tumble. Oh no, he started to stumble. MoneyMo's ran with a hug and a call. We've got you, Humpty, you're never alone. BubbyMo laughed.
MiniMo runs a magic farm, M-I-M-I-M-O, with bouncing goats and dancing hens, a pig who paints and mooing friends. MiniMo runs a magic farm, M-I-M-I-M-O.
Let's go!
What's that soft sound? Bah, it's the sheep. BubbyMo cuddled with the sheep, M-I-M-I-M-O. They bounced and rolled in wool so deep, M-I-M-I-M-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Sheep go bouncing everywhere. BubbyMo cuddled with the sheep, M-I-M-I-M-O.
I hear a moo. Must be SmartyMo's friend.
SmartyMo giggled with a cow, M-I-M-I-M-O. Measured milk and made a wow, M-I-M-I-M-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Cows go moo and laugh out loud. SmartyMo giggled with the cow, M-I-M-I-M-O. GigiMo danced with a duck, M-I-M-I-M-O. They wore pink boots and waddled with style, M-I-M-I-M-O. With a quack quack here here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Ducks go splashing runway style. GigiMo danced with a duck. MiniMo.
Oink, oink. MamaMo's making something crafty.
MamaMo painted with a pig. MiniMo. They made heart art so bright and big. MiniMo. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Pigs go painting like a pro. MamaMo painted with a pig. MiniMo.
Whoa, that galloping sound must be HeroMo.
HeroMo raced with a horse. MiniMo. They zoomed around the muddy course. MiniMo. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Horses go zooming with a cheer. HeroMo raced with a horse. MiniMo.
Wait, what's twinkling up there? It's Luma Star.
MiniMo danced with Luma Star. MiniMo. It spun and sparkles from afar. MiniMo. With a twinkle twirl here and a ding ding there. Here a ding, there a twirl, everywhere a sheen. Bling. Luma brings the stardust glow. MiniMo loves the magic farm. MiniMo. With family, friends, and songs each day, they laugh and learn and dance and play. MiniMo loves the magic farm. MiniMo.
Good night, farm friends.
The tiny fuzzy spider climbed up the water slide. Down came the raindrops and took her for a ride. Out came the sunshine and sparkled up the day. And the tiny fuzzy spider climbed back up to play. The tiny fuzzy spider climbed up the water slide. Down came the raindrops and took her for a ride. Out came the sunshine and sparkled up the day. And the tiny fuzzy spider climbed back up to play. The tiny fuzzy spider climbed up the water slide. Down came the raindrops and took her for a ride. Out came the sunshine and sparkled up the day. And the tiny fuzzy spider climbed back up to play. Five little monkeys sitting on the bed, laughing and bouncing, shaking their heads. DrummerMo played but missed his beat. He tripped and landed on his head. He fell to the floor and bumped his head. MamaMo called the doctor quick. Dr. Owl said, "Don't worry, I'll be quick." Dr. Owl arrived in his fancy chopper. Dr. Owl said to DrummerMo,
"No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Dr. Owl flew off into the sky in his fancy chopper. Four little monkeys jumped in the air. GigiMo flipped with flair to spare, but down she went bonk on the head. She rubbed her bump and turned bright red. MamaMo called the doctor again. Dr. Owl said, "I'll be right there, my friend." Dr. Owl arrived in his fancy chopper. Dr. Owl said to GigiMo,
"No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Dr. Owl flew off into the sky in his fancy chopper. Three little monkeys, wild and bright. SmartyMo planned his jump just right. He did the math and took his flight, but slipped and fell, oh what a sight. MamaMo called the doctor fast. Dr. Owl said, "I'm on my way, hold fast." Dr. Owl arrived in his fancy chopper. Dr. Owl said to SmartyMo,
"No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Dr. Owl flew off into the sky in his fancy chopper. Two little monkeys bounced so high. HeroMo jumped with all his might. He touched the sky, then took a dive. He hit the floor with a big old cry. MamaMo called the doctor his fancy chopper. Dr. Owl said to HeroMo,
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Dr. Owl flew off into the sky in his fancy chopper. One little monkey jumped alone. BubbyMo gave a happy giggle, then off he tumbled with a wiggle. MamaMo sighed and made the call. Dr. Owl said, I'll help them all. Dr. Owl arrived in his fancy chopper. Dr. Owl said to BubbyMo,
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Dr. Owl flew off into the sky in his fancy chopper. MamaMo smiled and called them near. Let's eat some cookies, come here my dears. No cap y'all, more monkeys jumping. Now 5 little monkeys go cookie crunching.
SmartyMo walks with a curious grin. Let's count 0 to 9.
Let's begin. 0 shaped like a lemon so bright. SmartyMo lifts it into the light.
1 is a kiwi, short and round. SmartyMo spots it on the ground.
2 is a slice of watermelon fun. SmartyMo counts it, now that's 1. 3 sweet blueberries curve just right. He lines them up in morning light. 4 red strawberries in a row. Shaped like 4, they steal the show.
5 bent cantaloupe make a 5. SmartyMo claps, they're all alive.
6 like a pineapple, twisty and bold. SmartyMo grins, what a shape to hold.
7 is cherries hanging in pairs. They curve just right with jungle flares.
8 orange slices side by side form a perfect figure, 8 with pride. 9 is an apple, round and red, with a twisty tail and leafy head. From 0 to 9, what a treat! Fruity numbers, fresh and sweet. GigiMo and BubbyMo paddling with delight. Come along and sing with us as animals come in sight. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the river. If you see a baby bear, don't forget to shiver. Row, row, row your boat gently to the shore. If you see a lion there, don't forget to roar. Row, row, row your boat gently down the creek. If you see a little mouse, don't forget to squeak.
Don't forget to squeak.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the lake. If you see a hissing snake, don't forget to shake. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a little frog, jump and make a gleam. Row, row, row your boat gently down the brick. If you see a sleepy owl, don't forget to look. Row, row, row your boat forward and then back. If you see a yellow duck, don't forget to quack. to say hello. Row, row, row your boat gently to the swamp. And if you meet an elephant, don't forget to stomp. BubbyMo sits in jungle light. The leaves are green, the sky is bright. He waits to see what friend will show. Who's the first? Let's watch and go.
Leave your monkey boat. 20!
A monkey swings from tree to tree.
It flips and twirls so playfully.
BubbyMo claps and taps the ground.
The monkey giggles, oh, though.
An elephant with floppy ears.
Trumpets softly as it nears.
BubbyMo waves with both hands high.
The elephant lifts its trunk to the sky.
A lion cub with golden mane
Creeps through the grass like a gentle train.
It gives a roar, not loud, just fun. BubbyMo laughs and starts to run.
Zebra or hay.
A zebra walks with stripy pride.
It trots along the grassy side.
BubbyMo points and wiggles low.
Look at those stripes, go, go, go.
A turtle crawls with tiny feet.
So calm and slow, but oh so sweet.
BubbyMo scoots down nice and low.
To watch it move so soft and slow.
A bunny hops through jungle sun.
With fluffy ears and legs that run.
It twitches once, then hides so fast.
BubbyMo giggles as it hops past.
A frog goes ribbit, jumps in place.
Then leaps again with happy face.
BubbyMo claps and leans in near.
Hoping for another cheer.
A kitten yawns, the sun grows low.
Its fuzzy tail begins to slow.
BubbyMo blinks and rubs his eyes.
It's time for stars and sleepy skies.
A tear-up squawks from up above.
In rainbow feathers that we love.
Hello, it says with cheerful flair.
BubbyMo laughs and points in air.
A duckling waddles small and round.
It peeps and paddles on the ground.
BubbyMo crawls to take a peek.
Its little quack is soft and sweet. A panda sits.
A panda sits with bamboo snack.
It munches slow, then leans right back.
BubbyMo grins from ear to ear.
Come back tomorrow, friends so dear.
A butterfly floats past so slow.
Its wings like rainbows start to glow.
BubbyMo whispers, "Come to me."
But it just dances joyfully.
So many friends came out today.
Each one had their time to play.
BubbyMo